Yeah, what's up guys? This is Junior here. Um, Today I just gonna be doing some work on the Corvette and maybe some work on the Miata today. I'm trying to get some things done because the season is around the corner. So it's a nice weather out today, so it's not too cold in my garage. And it's like 55 I believe. So I'm just gonna move back my Corvette so I could get more sunlight. Well, no sunlight, but some more light and some more room to work on it. I'm gonna be doing the knock sensor today, and I was trying to fix all the check engine light codes that it has. It has like 3 check engine light codes, and one of them is the knock sensor. So I'm trying to get that done today, and also I'm trying to finally pull out the engine of the Miata. Hopefully we can get that done today. I don't know how much I'm gonna record of this, just because I'm trying to get things done. And then here when it's around 4, it starts getting colder out. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna be working on this car, and also after I'm done working with this car and pulling out the engine from here, I'm gonna go to my friend's house and pick up a FDF upper control arm for the rear for my Corvette. He's going white slab, so he's selling all his FDF things, and he got the mini mantis front angle kit, but I really want the mega mantis FDF, and he's giving me the mini mantis super cheap. I mean, in a fairly price. I think he won 500 bucks, and that's including lower control arms and the mini mantis itself. So it's a pretty good deal, but I really want the mega mantis, and I'm not gonna drift this car soon, so I think I'm gonna hold off. But yeah, I will update you guys, move my car back, start working on that. Hopefully finish this today. Well, not finish it, but taking out the engine today. And yeah guys. Well, I just pulled the car back a little bit, see what I can do. But supposedly to get the knock sensor done, all I have to do is take out the covers, uh, unplug the fuel lines, and take out the intake, supposedly. So let's see if it's that easy. Um, Everything that I do always end up being from a 30-minute job to a 5-hour job. So hopefully I can get it done quickly. And yeah, I'll update you guys whenever I'm done or whenever I'm in the process. And by the way, yes, this chrome stuff, I don't like it either, trust me. I don't know why the guy decided to put chrome. That's getting rusted. I have to remove all that. But yeah guys, I will update you guys whenever I'm like halfway there or whatever. Well guys, I have everything unplugged. All the vacuum hoses, I took them off, but now I encountered a problem that I couldn't take this off the fuel line. Luckily my friend was here and he said he got the tool to take it off, so he went and picked it up at his house. So once he comes back, I'm gonna be able to take out that fuel line and then unbolt the whole manifold, and it should come right out. Yeah, what's up guys? So I'm back, and I took out the intake manifold, and man, this thing is so nasty. I'm gonna clean up as best as I can, change the knock sensor, but honestly it wasn't that hard to take off the intake manifold. Just one hose right here that they noticed that was attached to the throttle body. Yeah, I forgot to take off and I couldn't take it off. And then there's another hose in the back that I couldn't see. Uh, the hose, it was attached behind the manifold, and but once I took this one off, I slid it forward, took that one out. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. This is my first time ever working on a V8 engine. I already had like Miatas and Eclipses and Evos. I never worked on a V8 engine, usually 4-cylinder, but so far not too bad. So I just cleaned one side of the head. You can see the difference, and then this side is so nasty. I just got some brake cleaner and a napkin, and just like wipe it down real fast. And I also, before I clean it, I blow air on it, so all the dust will be removed out of the heads. Yeah, not too bad. I just replaced the knock sensor. I put a new one in. They're just 22mm socket, and they came back right off. These are the old ones. I'm just gonna clean up the heads in the inside a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna be putting everything back together. But one thing that I don't like about Chevy is they're using standard sockets and metric. It's kind of annoying that I have to go back and forth through my toolbox using standard and metric. But yeah, not too bad though. So yeah guys, that last clip that you guys saw was the engine that fell for the hoist. Uh, like we in the hoist was holding, instead of the fence, we're holding it with this. We took out like 5 engines with it, and we never bought a screw for it. So one of the legs flipped up, and the whole fucking engine fell, and it landed in my brother's leg. But thankfully he's okay. It landed in one of my legs. It's not terrible. But yeah, like the engine is out. This is really disgusting. This needs a good like power wash. So thankfully I'm like doing a whole cleanup of this car. The engine is right here, and the engine as well is filthy. It's full of oil. It's really bad. So yeah, I think I'm done for the night. I'm just gonna put the engine back in the garage, and probably just clean it out tomorrow. I'm just gonna clean up this garage. It's a mess, and put the tools away, and then just hose down the floor a little bit, so this for oil, coolant, and all that. But yeah guys, that's it for this video, and I will just update you on the next video what's going on, what I have done. But hopefully this week or next week I'll pull the car out and power wash it and start sanding it down so I can get it painted. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.